The bun making machine is mainly composed of a feeding system, a forming system, and a conveyor system. Open the machine packaging wooden box and remove the conveyor belt bracket. Use the tool to remove the screw that secures the conveyor belt counterclockwise. Pull out the conveyor belt and place the bracket in the middle of the conveyor belt. Tighten the screws to fix the bracket and the conveyor belt. The leftmost button controls the filling, the middle knob controls the conveyor of the dough, the rightmost knob controls the molding. By adjusting the knob clockwise, you can adjust the speed of filling and feeding and the size of the bun. Make dough manually or by machine until the surface is smooth. Put in the prepared filling and dough. Spread the cooking oil evenly on the forming mold and the conveyor belt before producing the steamed buns. First, turn on the dough supply switch, adjust the supply speed, and observe the value of the control panel. Observe whether there is a hole in the surface of the dough and whether it is normal. When the dough completely enters the forming mold, open the forming switch. Adjust the forming speed and observe the shape of the bun on the conveyor belt. After the buns is formed, record the value of the display panel and close the supply knob and the forming knob. Block the filling tube by hand and let the filling fill the filling tube slowly. When the filling reaches the nozzle, turn off the filling knob. Open the supply switch first, and after the dough completely enters the molding die, open the forming knob. Open the filling switch, observe the size of the filling in the dough, and adjust the filling knob. After the bun is formed, the adjustment is completed, and the bun machine can be put into production. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.